Hi, welcome to Bella Timber House. Today, I am going to make a fudge brownie and serve it with vanilla ice cream. I am going to decorate my brownie with melting chocolate ball. And let me tell you one thing, we do not need any special equipment for that. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First we need a double boiler and melt half cup of dark chocolate in it. Now add half cup of melted butter and mix it well. Now transfer the chocolate in a bigger bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and half cup of powdered sugar. You can also use granulated sugar. Now add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and mix them well. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and give it a mix. Now add half cup of milk gradually and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in it and make a smooth batter. Now take a brownie or cake mold and grease it with butter. Now put the parchment paper and grease it again. Now pour the batter in it and pat it few times. Bake it in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After 25 minutes, check it with toothpick whether it's clear or not. Now let it cool for 10 minutes and unmold it. After unmolding it, cut it into square pieces. Our fudge brownie is ready now. Now let's move on to the chocolate ball. Now take a small bowl and one medium-sized balloon. Now grease the balloon with some oil and place it over the bowl. Now pour the melted chocolate over the balloon and make sure chocolate is not too hot, otherwise balloon can burst. Now keep it in a fridge for 10 minutes and move on to the chocolate caramel sauce. Take a heavy bottom saucepan and add half cup of sugar in it. Now stir continuously until it caramelizes. Now add 1/4 cup of melted chocolate and stir. Now add half cup of cream in it. You can use heavy cream or normal cream. Now stir it well and let it come to the boil. Our caramel chocolate sauce is ready now. Now take out the chocolate ball from the fridge. Taking out the balloon is a very delicate step, so be very careful. Firstly, I am going to wear gloves so that my fingerprints don't spoil the texture of the chocolate ball. Now burst the balloon using a toothpick. You can see that the bowl is still stuck with the chocolate ball. So take a hot knife to melt the chocolate around it. If balloon is still stuck, pull it gently. Our chocolate ball is ready now. Now let's start plating the dish. I hope you like this recipe. If you have any doubt about the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. If you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed it yet, please do it now. And make sure you hit the bell icon for more recipes.